Hi guys, so right now we are going to be stitching a trouser a back pocket. We are going to be cutting and stitching it. So right here we have finished making the duct. So um we are going to measure 2 inches and mark it like this. 2 inches. We are going to measure 2 inches and mark it like this. So where the duct is where the middle is gonna be, you understand? So we are going to measure we want 4.5, so we are going to measure 2.25. We want 4.5, so we are going to measure 2.25, right? To be making here, you understand? So we're going to what mark from the 4.5 to this part, you understand, to exactly this part, you understand, to make it 4.5, you understand. So we are gonna stand inside. So we are going to be putting the pocket right here. We are going to be putting the pocket right here. So without wasting my time, let's get it done right now. So guys, over here we have a fabric of 7 inches. The length is 7 inches, and also the width is 5.5. So we are going to fold this part inside. I think quarter inches, and we have to fold another 1 inch, you understand. The first one to be half, and then the second one to be what 1 inch, you understand. So we are going to stitch it to the end. You understand. So guys, this is how we stitch it. This is exactly how we stitch it, you understand. So guys, what we are gonna do is you see we have already measured 4.5, right? We have already measured 4.5. So what we are gonna do is to what fold this part, and to fold this part, and to get 4.5, and also fold this down part, and to get 5 or 4.5 inches, you understand. So let's do it and come and show you. So let's go and iron it. So we do it and we come and show you, right? So guys, after ironing it, this is exactly how it's going to be looking. You understand. This is exactly how the pocket is going to be looking. So if you turn it like this, we have folded it, you understand. We have folded this part, and the down part, you understand. So we are going to pick the trouser, you understand. We are going to pick the trouser like this. And to put the pocket on it like this. So guys, have you seen how we are putting it on? We are putting it on it like this. And to add an office pin, we are going to add office pin to it, to make it able to stand well, you understand. To make it to be able to what stand well, so that we get to what you are removing some of the office pin. So this is the office pin. So we are going to attach it, so that this stretch fabric is not gonna make us stress, you understand. So we're able to stitch it perfectly without any stress. So we are attaching it to it so that we can stitch it perfectly. We are attaching it to it so that we can stitch it perfectly. So we are going to stitch it from this part to this part onto this part, you understand. So let's get it done. So we finished the trouser back pocket. So we get to finish the trouser back pocket. So let's get it done. We are stitching it. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. So we are stitching it. Tabbat yada bilabin wa tab, ma guna anhu maluhu wa ma kasab. So we are stitching. Sayasla naran zata lab, wa maratu hamalat al-hatab, fi jidiha hablum min masad. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. So guys, this is exactly how we are stitching it, you understand? So watch it carefully so that you're able to stitch yours too nice and beautiful. Allahu Akbar, Allah is the greatest. Allahu Akbar, Allah is the greatest. Alhamdulillah, subhanallah, subhanallah lazim. So guys, this is exactly how to stitch it. This is exactly how to stitch it. This is exactly how to stitch it. So subscribe now if you haven't subscribed. Please subscribe now if you haven't subscribed yet. So this is exactly how to stitch the trouser back pocket, you understand? The trouser back pocket. This is exactly how to stitch the trouser back pocket, you understand? So subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Subscribe now if you haven't subscribed.